Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, we have a new profile that we want to put back on your radar for Wednesday's session. We profiled this company a few weeks back when it sat at lower levels. As Biotech stages a big comeback, NanoViricides looks well positioned to be a market disruptor with non-toxic, effective antiviral therapies based on patented nanomedicine technology. NanoViricides is NNVC on the NYSE American. This is a global leader in the application of nanomedicine technologies to the safe and effective treatment of viruses and other variants, including drugs against COVID-19, RSV, and other respiratory viruses. Even with a decline since 2022, COVID-19 continues to hospitalize and kill people in the USA. The CDC website states 69,200 hospitalizations and 2,652 deaths since January 1st, 2024. The worldwide market size for COVID-19 therapeutics is expected to exceed $16.2 billion by 2031. NanoViricides are better because they destroy viruses and their variants without relying on the patient's immune system, thereby making them effective for populations that include geriatric and pediatric patients. Antibodies only bind to the virus by 2 points, and the destruction of the complex requires effective immune function, which is not the case in sick patients. Vaccines only train the body to produce antibodies against the virus in the vaccine. Antibodies and vaccines are easily overcome by viruses by mutating in the field, hence the need for annual influenza vaccine updates. Recent company highlights include NanoViricides' lead drug NV-387 is in phase 1 clinical trials. Broad-spectrum antiviral NV-387 is showing promise against many virus families, including and beyond triple-demic, i.e. COVID-19, RSV, and flu. There have been no adverse events in phase 1 SAD and MAD studies, even at the highest dose of 40 milligrams, found to be non-immunogenic, non-mutagenic, non-allergenic, and non-phototoxic. Strong safety allows use in pediatrics, adults with comorbidities, and immune-compromised patients, unlike limitations of products currently in the market. Developed oral syrup and oral gummies, soft solids, good for geriatric and pediatric patients. Drugs are expected to continue to be effective even as the virus generates variants. Unique receptor site doesn't change. Technology mimics unique receptor site used by virus, delivers to specific targets using receptor recognition, which requires no bulk antibodies. Today, the company put out news. There has been quite a few PRs over the past few weeks, and that has contributed to this year's run. NNVC is now up 137% for the year. Congrats to all subscribers that have banked in NNVC. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on NNVC, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, the big economic event this week is job numbers, ADP tomorrow morning, jobless claims on Thursday, and the unemployment report on Friday. Remember, the weaker the jobs numbers are, the more bullish it is for stocks. The stronger the job numbers are, the more bearish it is for stocks. On Friday, NVIDIA's 10-for-1 stock split goes into effect. Look for some wild options trading. In terms of small caps that I am watching, first up is DDD. This is 3D Systems. The stock rallied 17% in post-market trading after the dental products company said that it had signed a multi-year purchase agreement valued at nearly $250 million through 2028. The market cap is just $461 million. 3D said the purchase agreement was in support of the indirect manufacturing process for clear aligners. Details were not disclosed. The dental 3D printing company also said it expects the FDA to clear its multi-material jetted one-piece denture solution in the second half of the year, followed by rapid commercialization. 3D added it is also expanding into the night guard market. SFIX, this is Stitch Fix, pulled together a solid fiscal Q3 and set guidance comfortably above Wall Street's expectations, offsetting disappointing subscription metrics and driving shares almost 20% higher in after-hours trading. The company, which sells apparel, shoes, and accessories for men, women, and children through its website and mobile app, reported a loss of 18 cents per share, narrowing by a penny from a year ago and beating expectations by 6 cents. The loss followed a 16% decline in revenue to $322.7 million. That still beat estimates by $16.5 million. Also, as a result of the lower cost of goods sold, the company's gross margin expanded by 280 basis points to 45.5%. Free cash flow declined by 28% to $18.9 million. Current market cap is just $320 million. For Q4, Stitch Fix expects net revenue to be between $312 million to $322 million versus estimates for $306 million. And for fiscal year 2024, revenue is expected to be between $1.33 billion and $1.34 billion versus estimates of $1.31 billion. ASNS. Actelis Network said on Tuesday it had secured new orders for cyber-hardened network technology to be deployed on 3 U.S. military bases. The stock was up over 64% in extended trading. Going to be some wild moves tomorrow, so put this one on your radar screen. Lastly, CORZ Scientific. The stock soared 40% today after a media report that CoreWeave offered to acquire the Bitcoin miner and hosting services company for $5.75 per share. That news broke after CoRZ Scientific disclosed late Monday that it signed a series of 12-year contracts with AI hyperscaler CoreWeave that are expected to generate more than $3.5 billion of revenue during that period. Bloomberg News reported, citing a person with knowledge of the matter, that CoreWeave made an all-cash offer for CORZ as it seeks to increase its AI data center capacity. AI data centers, Dell is in that, NVIDIA, everything AI is hot right now, so this stock is in play and could go a lot higher. I mean, look at the insider buying back in March. You had the director buying $3.16, $410,000 buy, $332,000 buy. So all this buying here between $303 and $332 back in March. This is why we pay attention to insider buying here at Insider Financial. We focus on these types of plays for our subscribers, so make sure you sign up. And again, it's completely free. I will also be scanning the pre-market as I do each and every trading day. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, Wednesday's primary focus is NNVC. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA NVDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Interactive Offers for sponsoring this video on NNVC. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion, meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.